Okay, hello everybody. I don't know if you've ever had this problem, but I had it today when I went to take the nut bolt, the bolt off the lawnmower blade, and I had a 9/16 wrench and it just was stripping and stripping. I barely got it out because this thing is stripped all the way around. So what I thought I'd do is just turn this into a 1/2 inch bolt, since it's the day before Easter and most of the stores are shut down right now. So what you do, you take this, what's left of this one, put it in a vise, and screw a nut on here. This part's not stripped out. The bolt's not stripped, it's the nut head that got stripped out. So I'm going to tighten this nut on there. Okay, then turn it upside down. I do this so I don't smash the threads. Okay, then I got the bolt in there, ready to go. Now all I gotta do is make this a 1/2 inch. Here's my 1/2 inch wrench, and as you can see, it won't fit on, it's too big. So take my little hand grinder here, and we'll just grind it down. Well, let's see how close we are. Oh, look at that. Goes right on the top. I just got to angle it a little bit more at the bottom. Like they say in the movies, don't do this at home without goggles and gloves and all that other safety stuff, unless you don't care about getting hurt. There you go. Turn that 9/16, which was all stripped out, into a real tight 1/2 inch. Saved me going to the store, about 5 minutes. I don't know how long this took. Didn't take very long. But anyway, just take that nut off the bottom. There you go, just like a real one. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Just turn that 9/16 little grinder and just grind it down.